Good morning, students. Today we will see in this video physical science and society. Application of physical science principles in day-to-day life, how physics is useful in day-to-day life, and how chemistry is useful in day-to-day life. Physics deals with electricity, light, sound, heat, astronomy, motion, force, energy, many gadgets in sports. In the same fashion, similar fashion, chemistry is the central science. It touches all aspects of our lives. Chemistry deals with chemical reactions, food, energy, drugs, metals, textiles, cosmetics, paper, health. So we'll see physical science in society, physics in everyday life, and chemistry in everyday life. Physical science is one of the most important channels of knowledge. Physical science must respond to societal needs and global challenges. Physical science and society are connected. Physical science includes study of physics and chemistry. Study of physics helps to understand such as astronomy, biology, chemistry, environmental science, geology, medical sciences, and other post sciences. Physics is a matter of energy. Physics is the study of the basic laws of nature and their manifestation in different natural phenomena. Physics deals with the things like matter, force, energy. The basic laws of physics are universal and apply in widely different contexts and conditions. If you see the physics scope, wide covering tremendous range of magnitude of physical quantities. So physics is the study of matter and energy and the interactions between them. So chemistry comes from the Arabic word alchemia, meaning the art of transformation. Art of transformation. Chemistry began as the study of alchemy. Most alchemists were searching for the philosopher's stone, a fabled substance that could turn common metals into gold. So, chemistry is the scientific discipline involved with elements and compounds composed of atoms, molecules, and ions, their composition, structure, properties, behavior, and the changes they undergo during the reaction with other substances. So, it is a matter of reactions. Chemistry is important because everything you do is chemistry. Even your body is made up of chemicals. Chemical reaction occurs when you breathe, eat, or just sit there reading. All matter is made of chemicals. So the importance of the chemistry is the study of everything. Study of everything. So chemistry is essential for meeting our basic needs: food, clothing, shelter, health, energy, water, and soil. Chemical technologies enrich our quality of life in numerous ways by providing new solutions to problems in health, materials, and energy usage. Knowing something about chemistry is worthwhile because it provides an excellent basis for understanding the physical universe we live in. So, studying chemistry is useful in preparing us for the real world. So this is the physical science in society. Physical science deals with different disciplines, how society will benefit with the physical science. So physical science answers the needs of societal problems. It provides improvements in the quality of life. It is an overall product of human activity in the form of a systematic and organized body of knowledge. Physical science is the discipline which concerns with the study of properties of matter and energy and also with the study of the compositions of various substances and their effects upon one another. So it generates solutions for everyday life. and helps us to answer the great mysteries of the universe. It is the most important channels of knowledge. It has specific role as well as variety of functions for the benefit of our society in creating new knowledge, improving education, and increasing the quality of our lives. So it must respond to societal needs and global challenges. Public understanding and engagement with science and citizen participation, including through the popularization of science, are essential to equip citizens to make informed personal and professional choices. So government need to make decisions based on quality scientific information on issues such as health, agriculture. Parliament needs to legislate on societal issues which necessitate the latest scientific knowledge. So government need to understand the science behind major global challenges, climate change, ocean health, biodiversity, and freshwater security. To face sustainable development challenges, governments and citizens must understand the language of science and must become scientifically literate. On the other hand, scientists must understand the problems policymakers face and endeavor to make the results of their research relevant and comprehensible to society. Science, technology, and innovation must drive our pursuit of more equitable and sustainable development. Scientific learning is not just disclosing new things and confined to the four walls of a classroom. It is also necessary to step forward without interrupting the interrelationship, interdependency, along with understanding of the nature's intrinsic principles. It has definite connection to lab and field as well. So theoretical knowledge and practical knowledge is very, very essential to understand the scientific principles. So therefore, there is a lot of importance to field experience, experiments in science teaching. So every student will grow up and study physics on a deeper level, but everyone uses basic physics concepts to navigate everyday life. See here what we discussed earlier, physics deals with everything. Light, atom, sound, friction, gravity, magnetism, inertia, force, electricity. If you want walk on a road, friction is required. So without physics, you cannot walk on a road. It is the Newton's third law. So if you see in everyday lives, many examples are there. Car seat belt, it works on the principle of inertia. In case of a car collision, your seat belt help prevent your body from moving in a forward direction as your body resists being stopped because of inertia of motion. So car seat belts, inertia of motion physics concept is there. In gravity, ballpoint pen. You see how ballpoint pen will work. Ballpoint pen is a ball that rolls as you push down to write on a piece of paper. There is a ink inside the pen that comes on top of the ball. So gravity pulls the ink down towards the paper and the ball rolls in the ink as we write, taking a controlled amount from inside the pen to the paper surface as it turns. So it is another example of physics in everyday life, gravity, ballpoint pen. So heat stove is another example what we observe in everyday physics in our life. Heat is the energy that transfers from warmer substance to a colder one. When you use a stove, the coil flame or cooktop transfers heat energy to the pot or pan that is set on top of it. Heat from the pot is transferred to the food inside, and also television, refrigerator, stereo system, microwaves, and all other electrical devices at your home will give you life better for your day-to-day life. So physicists are the people that developed technology that made it possible for all these appliances to work. So physics is essential to human life, and almost all technological advances made by humanity depends on physics concepts. So if you see chemistry in everyday life, we are all made up of chemicals, and everything around us is made up of chemicals. Everything we hear, see, smell, taste, and touch involve chemistry and chemicals. Hearing, seeing, tasting, touching all involve intricate series of chemical reactions and interactions in our body. Many of the changes we observe in the world around are caused by chemical reactions. Chemistry is not limited to beakers in laboratories. It is all around us. And the better we know chemistry, we know the world. So if you see chemistry, chemistry is concerned with community, health, environment, medicine, industry, sciences, teaching, and it gives research for you. So chemistry is present in every aspect of life. And we will see some of the chemistry daily examples. We cry while cutting onions. So onions make you cry due to the presence of sulfur in the cells, which break after the onions are cut. So sulfur gets mixed with moisture and thus irritates your eyes. So in onions, sulfur is there and it mixes with the moisture, irritates the eyes. So coffee keeps us awake because of the presence of a chemical called adenosine. It goes to your brain. It binds to certain receptors and slows the nerve cell activity when sleep is signaled. So another example of chemistry in everyday life, how sunscreen works. Sunscreen combines organic and inorganic chemicals to filter the light from the sun so that less of it reaches the deeper layers of your skin. So the reflective particle in sunscreen usually consists of zinc oxide or titanium oxide. So thank